So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn on LED flash for calls on iPhone. Now you might already know that whenever the phone is on silent, there are chances that we might miss the call. But if you turn on this setting, there are less chances to miss the call. I'm going to guide you through each and everything, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Okay, so as you all can see, my phone is already on silent, but what will happen if someone tries to call me right now? So I have made a call from another phone, and now you can see I have received a call, but the LED flash is not working. So there are chances that I might miss this call. So in order to avoid this, I can simply turn on LED flash setting. And to do that, you just need to go to settings option, go in accessibility, go down and look for audio and visual. Select that option, and on this page, again, if you go down at the very end, you get an option of LED flash for alerts. Now currently you can see it is set to off. Tap on that and turn on this toggle. There are two more options. One is flash while unlocked. So if you want the flash to blink even when your phone is unlocked, then you can turn on this toggle. And if you want flash in silent mode, then definitely turn on this toggle. So there is an explanation over here. Control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. So now you know what that setting is for. So as I have turned on the setting, now let's try to call on my device once again. So I have made a call from another device, and now you can see I have received a call, but this time the flash is blinking, right? So this is how simple it is to turn on LED flash for calls on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.